Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that many of you have been requesting. How to earn money online without any investment. If you've been looking for ways to make some extra cash from the comfort of your own home, this video is for you. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, it's important to note that while it is possible to earn money online without investing any upfront capital, it does require time, effort, and dedication. So, if you're ready to put in the work, let's explore some legitimate methods to earn money online. Our first method is freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to leverage your skills and expertise to earn money. There are numerous freelance platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, where you can offer your services to clients from around the world. Identify your strengths and determine what services you can provide. Are you good at writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management? Sign up on these platforms, create a compelling profile, and start bidding on relevant projects. As you complete more jobs and receive positive feedback, your reputation will grow, and you'll attract higher-paying clients. Another popular way to make money online is through content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram offer great opportunities to showcase your creativity and earn money. Pick a niche or topic that you're passionate about and start creating content. Whether it's vlogging, gaming, cooking, fashion, or educational videos, find your unique voice and provide value to your audience. As your content gains traction, you can monetize it through ads, sponsorships, brand deals, and even merchandise sales. Before we move on to the next step, smash that like button and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more exciting content. Now back to our next video. If you're looking for quick and easy ways to earn some extra cash, online surveys and tasks are a good option. There are several websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Amazon Mechanical Turk that pay you for completing surveys, watching videos, playing games, or performing simple online tasks. While the payouts may not be significant, they can add up over time. Just be cautious and ensure you're using reputable platforms to avoid scams. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to earn money online by promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for each sale you generate. Start by identifying a niche or industry you're interested in. Then, join affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale that offer products related to your chosen niche. Create content, blogs, videos, social media posts that showcases these products and includes your unique affiliate links. When people make a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. If you have expertise in a particular subject, online tutoring can be a rewarding way to earn money. Websites like VIPKid, Tutor.com, and Chegg Tutors connect students with qualified tutors in various subjects. Sign up, create a profile highlighting your skills and experience, and start offering tutoring sessions. You can conduct one-on-one sessions or even group sessions depending on the platform. Online tutoring allows you to work at your convenience and set your own rates. And there you have it, 5 legitimate methods to earn money online without any initial investment. Remember, success in any of these methods requires time, effort, and consistency. So, choose the method that resonates with you, focus on providing value, and be persistent. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Also, let us know in the comments below if you have any other topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.